does the Mad Dog Math program work? I'm glad you asked. Hi, I'm Julie Kotoff, founder and creator of Mad Dog Math, the system that helps kids master their facts so they'll love and succeed at math. Parents have asked me, Julie, how does this work? There's so many facts. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to begin. When do they learn which facts? When do I introduce multiplication, division? Mad Dog Math program tells you all that. It's a very systematically organized, easy to use, easy to understand math system to teach kids their math facts so that they'll love and succeed at math. Okay, a couple of things that I want you to know. I want you to look at my whiteboard. I want to start by saying there are 3 levels of mastery, okay? The very lowest level is accuracy. That's when kids can come up with the right answer, usually by using their fingers, okay? So accuracy just means kids can get the correct answer. The next level up is fluency. Now fluency, the definition of fluency, if your children are fluent in their math facts, they're fast and accurate. That sounds pretty good to you, doesn't it? Sounds pretty good to me. There's a higher level. So fluency means fast and accurate. Automaticity is what we're all going to strive for. Automaticity is synonymous with the word mastery, and it means this: fast and accurate, just like fluency, fast and accurate with very little thought, as if I were asking kids their names. I've never asked one child their name where he had to stop and think. My mom's name is Nancy, my dad's name is Jean, my brother's Tony, my sister's Susie, there's one left. Oh, that's me, I'm Johnny. I've never had a kid go through all those gyrations to get his name out. Why? How does a kid know his name? He's got it memorized, he knows it. Can kids memorize their math facts exactly like that? You bet. I've seen it over and over and over, year after year with my students. Okay, now I want to show you what it really looks like. Here's what the accuracy level looks like. Okay, this is, if I say, Johnny, what's 7 plus 5? And he does this. 12. Okay, I'm happy that Johnny can come up with the right answer. Some kids can't. Johnny knows that you start with the biggest number, you count up 5 to get 12. Okay, I'm pretty happy about that, but that's really low level. Let me show you what fluency looks like. Here's what fluency looks like. Johnny, what's 7 plus 5? And he does this. 12. Okay, he's not counting on his fingers, but he has to stop and he has to think. We can do better than that. And it's that automaticity level. This is what automaticity looks like, and kids can so do this. I say, Johnny, what's 7 plus 5? And he goes, 12. Whoa. What's 13 minus 6? 7. Wow. 8 times 3, 24. 60 divide 10, 6. Automaticity. That's what we're striving for. Now, with Mad Dog Math, there are 4 different programs. There are 4 paper pencil, and what I'm going to show you right now, we also have it in software. So I have Puppy Dog Math. Puppy Dog Math deals with the 0 to 12's addition and subtraction facts. For kindergartners, can Puppy Dogs start learning their facts? You bet. Okay, that's Puppy Dog. Next, there is a first grade program. It's got the orange bubble, and this is for first grade. And this talks about the addition and subtraction families to the 18s, all right? All the way to the 18s family. The third is my second grade or level 2 binder, and this is for second graders. It's got the pink bubble. It goes to the 18s family also. But Julie, you just told me the first grade goes to the 18s family. What's different? I'll tell you what's different. The second grade binder has missing addend, all right? So addition looks a little different. Subtraction stays the same. Addition, it's the missing addend for addition. And then for third on up, I didn't put a grade level on this, but parents, I want to say this, I want to say it emphatically. Third grade is the perfect age for kids to start memorizing their multiplication and division facts. It's perfect. They're ready for it. They're primed, because when they go into fourth grade math with long division and fractions, they've got to have their multiplication and division facts down automatically. Or here's the bad news. Or kids pretty much shrivel up and die mathematically fourth grade on if they don't have their facts accessible, ready to use. And that's why so many kids by about 5th, 6th grade go, I hate math. When can I stop taking math classes? Well, the answer is not for a long time, honey. So, really important. Multiplication, division facts, third grade, but I call this the third on up, and up could be anywhere, 4th, 5th, 6th. I'm dealing with 6th graders right now that don't have their math facts. They're starting to get them. I've had junior hires, I've had 7th and 8th graders, I've had high school kids that don't know their facts that finally get them, and then math just kind of opens up for them. It's so exciting. So let me tell you how the programs work. Now, I could take several extra minutes and talk about all of them, but I just want to, they all work on the same premise. So I'm going to take this one, my multiplication division, for third on up, preferably third. Everything you need is in this binder. It starts with the math facts, the multiplication division facts. I don't deal with the ones because the ones trick deals with the ones. Anything times 1 is 1. But it starts, each of the drills start with the 2's. 0 to 12 times 2. It goes all the way to the 12th. I thought when I was first figuring out what facts I wanted my third graders to know, I thought most systems I looked at went to the 9s, and I thought, wait a minute, we have inches in a foot and dozens here in America, so I'm going to take my kids to the 12s because I want them to know if we're dealing with inches in feet, or if they go into the bakery and their mom wants them to get 2 dozen cookies, how many they need to come out with. Okay, so that was the reasoning behind it. Start with the 2's. They first learn those 13 facts the 2 times. Once they've got those down, they move on to the 2 division. Wait a minute, Julie. Division? Right after multiplication? You bet. Now remember, you don't start anything until they understand the concept of multiplication and the concept of division, right? Okay, once they've got their 2 times, they understand it, then you show them that division is just the inverse of multiplication. And if you know your 2 times, you know your 2 divide. Once they pass 2 divide, they go on to 3 times, 3 divide, 4 divide, all the way through the 12's family. Okay, got that? Okay, those facts are put into drills, and I want to show you the drills. In this multiplication division system, there are 26 drills. I'm going to show you all of them in just a second. Okay, here's what a drill looks like. There's 24 on a page. And they're all times 2. You can see it's the 2 times up at the top. A student can miss 2 on a page in order to pass, to go on to the 2 divide. So you're going to have your child put it in a plastic sleeve. I've got it in the front of the binder. Give them a dry erase marker, and you're going to timer there, and you're going to say go. And after 2 minutes, you're going to say stop. And if he has a score of -2 or less, perfect. We're moving on to the 2 divide. And then the 3 times and the 3 divide and so on. Let me show you the order that this third grade system is in. 2 times, 2 divide. 3 times, 3 divide. Then the 4's. Then the 0 to 4's. I put combos in here, combinations, because I always wanted my students rehearsing what they already knew. Then after they pass the 0 to 4 times, 5's and 6's, ooh, there's a combo, woohoo. 7's, 8, there's a combo. 9's, 10's, 11's, 12's, there's a combo. They're going to go through all of these in 2 minutes first. Now, they go at their own pace. They might pass 3 today and move on to the next one tomorrow, they might not pass any. So whatever they don't pass, you go back and work on that family and come back and take that same drill tomorrow. Okay, got that? Okay, so we're going to go through all of these in 2 minutes. I call that the 2-minute club. And let me get my board back here. Now this is important. The 2-minute club is loosely associated with the accuracy level. Kids still have time. There's only 24 problems. They could count on their fingers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to get 5 times 2. They could do that. So accuracy, I don't mind on this 2 minutes if kids are using their fingers. It's fine. Don't anybody get upset, parents, teachers, if you've got kids using their fingers on the 2-minute club, because it's the lowest level. You're giving the kids an overview. These are all the facts that we're going to start getting. Okay, once they pass these in 2 minutes, they go back up to the very top and they start all over again. Only this time it's 1 minute. We're cutting that time in half. And they go through the 2 times again, only it's 1 minute. A little faster. Do they have time to count on their fingers? Not much. Little, not much. Then 2 divide, 3 divide, 4s, 5, 6s, all the way down. So I call that the 1-minute club. Okay, got that? Once they're finished with the 1-minute club, and by the way, parents, teachers, I have certificates that go with the program. I love to reward my kids. I give them certificates in my classroom. They think those are the hottest things since sliced bread. If you want to reward them by going to Toys R Us or going to get ice cream with Dad or going to the playground and playing for 30 extra minutes, figure out some reward that you can have in the back of your mind to reward the kids. This is a lot of hard work. Okay, so here we go. So we've gone through the 2-minute club. We've gone through the 1-minute club. What's next? Oh, by the way, the 1-minute club, take a look at my board, is really that fluency level, fast and accurate. They're getting so much better. They're not counting on their fingers. They're getting faster. Okay, last time we go through this, it's 30 seconds. Guess what that's synonymous with? The automaticity. You cannot do this in 30 seconds if you don't have these things memorized. Okay, got that? Okay, go through the 2-minute club, the 1-minute club, the 30-second club. All right? Got that. Okay, very good. All right, that is, in a nutshell, how the program works. Now, I'm going to set these binders aside, and I want to show you, because parents always ask me, Julie, how do I start teaching the math facts? Okay, there's several things you can do. All right, on my board, you can see I've written down, this is the twos family. I teach my kids in my class to orally drill that fact family. And this is what I mean by orally drilling. Listen to the words that I say. 0, 2s, 0. Actually, I have the answers down. So let me step back. First, I have the kids give me the answer. They have to figure them out. Anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is 2. 2 of them are 4. 3 of them have got to be 6. And if they don't know, I say, you guys just add another group of 2 to the number ahead of it, that was ahead of it. That's 8, 10, 12. Oh, Mrs. Kotoff, that's so easy. I get it. And they do get it. 22, 24. I kind of put myself in a corner. Okay, this is how I orally drill. I teach my kids, and we orally drill this. Here we go. 0, 2s, 0. 1, 2, 2. 2 2s, 4. 3 2s, 6. 4 2s, 8. All the way down to 12 2s, 24. Now, parents, teacher, that might have taken us 25 to 30 seconds to do. You know what? Once I go down the ladder, let's go up. And we do it like this. I say, ready, begin. And they go 12 2s, 24, 11 2s, 22, 10 2s, 20, 9 2s, 18, 8 2s, 16, and so on, all the way to 0 2s, 0. So we've gone down the ladder. We've gone up the ladder. Okay, another thing. Now that's to start getting them to understand what the twos family looks like and the answers to the twos. Next thing you can do are flashcards. Mad Dog Math has flashcards. They're all color-coded. They've got the multiplication on the front, division, counterpart on the back, and they come with a ring. And let me tell you about this ring. You do not want to load this ring up with all these facts. That would be so discouraging. You only want to put on this ring the facts that they're working with. All right? So once they've orally drilled the fact family, they have it sort of down. You can test them with flashcards. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. 2 9s. Now they might know their doubles from when they were in kindergarten or first grade, so they might be able to go 18. They might be able to say 16. They might be able to go 14. They're not hesitating. They're getting these answers. 12. Oh, easy. 2. 4, easy. 6, oh, easy, easy, easy. 10, simple, simple, simple. 8. Oh, I forget this one. 24. Okay, now do you see that one? This is one that the child doesn't have. I put this in the practice pile, so I'm going to put that in a different pile. I'm going to put that over here. I've got the ones I know, the ones I don't know. This one, 22. I had to use my fingers, don't know that one yet. And 20, I've got that one, and I've got 0. Okay, so really, there's only 2 left. So really, we're not going to even deal with those. These are the only 2 that I'm going to put on the ring that I'm going to have my child practice. And here's what practice looks like. The answer to this flashcard is on the back. You can see that. 11 times 2, have them hold their finger, turn over. Oh, there's the answer right there, 22. This one, 12 times 2, 24, and just have them say that several times. Go over and over. That's how drill and repetition, that's how any of us memorize anything. Not many of us can the first time through get these facts. Okay, once you've got that, then you might want to take your paper pencil drill. If you miss 2 or less, go on to the 2 divide and do the same thing. Now, let me say this also. Some children aren't very good at this, but I want you to know they'll get better. But I have some children that truly, for some reason, can't orally drill. All right. But they can write. So I say, okay, parents, have your kids literally take the family out of the binder and write on a piece of paper. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. All the way down to 12 times 2 equals 24. So you can, I'm giving you ways to study before they take that paper pencil. They can orally drill. They can work with flashcards. They can write. I had a mom just recently, within the last couple of weeks, one of my classes. She said, Julie, my daughter's not getting them just by oral drilling. I said, okay, here's what I want you to try. Try having her write them. Have you tried that yet? No, I haven't. I said, okay, try having her write them. And maybe you want to have her write each fact 3 times that she doesn't know, or 5 times. And she came back the next week or so and said, oh my gosh, my daughter has them. That helped. Now, I have had some kids in the past that have dysgraphia. They couldn't write that fact family if I stood over them with a bulldozer. You know what I'm saying? Too hard for them. So you know your kids. However they learn best, have them do that. If they orally drill and they get them, that's great. If they need to do flashcards on top of oral drill, do that. If they need to oral drill, do flashcards and write them, have them do that. But the bottom line is you want your kids to get to that automaticity level so they've got their facts, they've got the tools to do math, and once they have the tools, it's like, bring it on. There is nothing that you'll be able to throw at those kids that they won't get because they've got the tools to do math. Okay, I hope that helped. For more math, fact teaching tips. Go to maddogmath.com and remember, kids love and succeed at math when they know their math facts.